Alright, I want to talk about my Airtec FMIC intercooler installation. If you point the fucking camera right there, okay, you see the pipes coming this way, nice bend here, and then we have the intercooler core. And as you can see, the installation is unusual in that it comes with a steel replacement crash bar right here. Quite the chunk of an intercooler, quite tall. Considerations might be that it covers the radiator too much. We'll see if that's going to be a problem down the line. If you follow me around here, another hose bend. Pipe comes up here, clears quite well. One thing I had to do was to relocate the horns on both sides. That was about it. I had to bend the original side mount intercooler bracket a little bit for clearance. I haven't done any trimming of support panels or bumpers to fit this intercooler, so that's very nice. Come up here, and then we have the pipe leading to the throttle body. My only complaint so far, and it's a big one, is the map sensor. It comes with some universal Chinese-made flange, and it's at 18 millimeter. The actual Audi map sensor is 12 millimeter, and for that purpose, Airtec, they supply a adapter, a little bit of aluminum sleeve. This, of course, can cause boost leaks. Also, the bolt holes here is for the map sensor. They're not sealing against the flange, so potentially you could leak boost through the bolt holes and out in the air here. So I used a little bit of gasket on the bolts, and I used epoxy on the adapter here. So what we've just done now is we've, if you back off as much as you can without falling, what we've done right now is we've adjusted the install. I did the actual install a couple of weeks ago. We've adjusted the fit a little bit, so it's a bit better now. And we have just finished up boost testing from the turbo outlet and towards the throttle body.